puso mga LGBTQA+, baliktad, LGBTQIA+ community! Siyempre, of course, I'm an ally. Supportado tayo dyan! Ganon!
OMG, so bago ang lahat, syempre magpapakilala muna kami.
Yes!
Ako nga pala si Bonina!
At syempre,
sorry.
ang wangwang ng Dabcam!
Ano pala ako dapat dito? Lalaki nga pala ako. Ay, sorry. What?
Yan! Ay!
Wait lang, bakit sabay tayong nabulunan?
Yes!
So grabe, ang saya-saya ngayong araw na to.
Oo
Grabe.
nga naman, nakaka-excite. At syempre, alam nyo ba na ito ang pinakaunang Pride March ng sa TAU at syempre sa province ng Tarlac!
Alam nyo ba guys, grabe no? Napakasaya ko, syempre our voices herding. Our voices herding. Grabe, lumabas kasi ako dyan kanina, talagang napakakulay. Like, tingnan natin dito sa live. Oh, tingnan mo, check mo yung live. Talagang ready talaga. Oh, grabe ang sambayan ng Roy G. Biv.
Ay,
Roy G. Biv.
diba?
Correct.
At saka alam mo, na-try ko nang mag-join sa ganitong parade, alam mo. Kahit hindi mo sila kilala, kahit hindi ko sila kakilala, mararamdaman mong welcome
Totoo.
na welcome ka. True.
Totoo, kasi talagang welcoming talaga yung mga LGBT community natin dyan.
Diba? Hello pa!
So bago ang
Good
lahat,
morning!
syempre, pasasalamatan muna natin ang mga pinuno ng programa ito.
Yes!
Of course, thank you so much, no? So, to the TEU Student Inclusions Unit. So, thank you so much for making this
Thank you
event
so much
even
po.
more possible po, no? And sa mga partnership po natin dyan, sa TEU Office of Student Services and Development, the TEU Gender and Development, and TAU Student Inclusion, TAU Bulalayaw, and Supreme Student Council.
Yes! Pang malakas ang Disney Princess!
Tingnan natin, ang ganda ng mga...
Diba? Mana tayo ng live! Tignan natin!
Yeah, oh guys, no, so since napakainit ng mga panahon talaga, ang daming panahon.
Kahit mainit, Gina G, ang dami naki-joy!
Correct. At dahil dyan, guys, sabay-sabay natin panoorin tong live na to. So please do not forget to like, comment, and mention your friends. Please na mention, comment yun na yan.
Oo nga naman.
Available ang ating live stream sa ating TEU Inclusions and Unit and sa ating Facebook page sa TEU Development Communication.
Ding, 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 ding!
So
Ganon.
yun, so kumusta naman yung karanasan mo sa mga LGBT
Uy,
friends
masaya.
natin?
Kasi alam mo naman nung high school, gala ako eh. Alam mo yan. Gala ako super. Kahit ginagabi ako ng uwi. Ay! Hindi ko matatanggi yan. Ganon.
Totoo.
Pero, nag-enjoy naman ako sa ano ko. Nung nag-join ako sa ganyan, talagang alam mo yun, magsali ka na lang sa kanila. Tapos, Gina lang. Hindi, alam mo yung mararamdaman mong Africa na express yung sarili mo. Ganon
Yeah, kasi,
di ba?
Alam mo yun, halos syempre, ako, LGBT ako. Ay, alam mo na yan.
Di ba?
And then, kasi yung mga ugali namin is para kaming lahat ng professionals nasa amin, yung role ng pagiging professionals, we are being a teacher, we are being a psychologist, syempre, di ba? We are willing to help everyone who are in need. Yung mga grammar ko, kalalay.
Discipline ka dyan.
Woo!
Diba? Dahan ka sa mga pag-English, baka di ko maintindihan.
So, dahan. Ay, bakit? That's the primary development.
Uy, hindi ko diba?
So, tingnan natin. Ayan na, nag-start ng ating Pride
Ang
Month.
laki-laking tarp.
Ay,
Yes,
grabe.
love those gender. Hello.
Let's!
Hello, ang dami.
Oo nga.
Ang dami-dami nyo. Ang bongga-bongga.
So guys, please sa lahat ng ating Karoy G. Biv dyan. So please, memorable.
Diba?
Grabe.
Ang dami
Ayan
nila,
na, oh.
Ang sarap
Taas
makita.
noo, tindig ang iyong katawan.
Ay!
Express mo ang iyong realidad. Ganon.
Ayan, bongga. Hello pa sa
Ang
mga
saya-saya.
nanonood.
So, ang dami pala talaga nating member dito sa ating
nga.
school, sa ating university. Look, ano na yung sinasabi nila sa kanilang placard.
Ayan,
So,
ayan,
medyo
ayan.
maano
Ayan,
ako.
ayan. Medyo nanlalabo yung paningin ko ngayon for today's video.
Ala.
Ayan! Siyempre! Ay!
Ito na sila.
At saka kahapon pala,
Ay,
no? Ang dami palang ganap din kahapon.
Ay,
Ang
totoo!
bongga.
Gusto.
Kahapon nagkaroon ng talk.
Totoo.
Sa IP, talk din sa awareness, prevention ng HIV. Ang bongga naman!
Sa totoo lang.
Diba?
Actually, yung yung first day pa lang talagang marami ka nang matututuhan. At the
Yes.
same time, mag-e-enjoy ka pa. Kasi nga, learning is fun.
At saka
Learning is
lahat,
infinite.
mararamdaman mong belong, no? Kasi lahat meron ding solo parents. Di ba? May inclusion
Totoo.
din. Bongga!
Yeah, pagdating kasi sa ganito talagang, alam mo yun, mapagmahal ako sa ating mga IP. Yan.
Ay, yes.
Kaya
ngayon
unang-un-
ang thesis nyo.
Diba?
Diba, bongga?
Ayan, tingnan mo, ang saya-saya nila, they taking pictures.
At syempre, ang ating schedule for today sa day 2 ng ating inclusion.
Disney Princess.
Syempre, parade is 8 to 9 a.m.
Correct.
9 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. Collaboration art project. 9:30 to 11:30 is
Yeah.
lip sync battle. Ay, bongga!
Ay, gusto ko yun!
Gusto ko ba? Hoy, manood tayo! Ayan!
Ah, syempre, bakit? Nakikita ko kasi maraming drag queens dito, no?
Yes.
Talagang, alam mo, yung pagkakita ko sa kanila, talagang nag-e-enjoy akong makita. Bakit? Hindi ako
maganda.
nagpapatalo.
Yes!
Kaya nga ako nagganto dito, oh.
Ah, diba?
Bakit? Panoorin nyo
Pero
ako.
hindi nagtutugma ang kulay namin ngayon! Ang light ako, Tasha! Hay nako!
Alam mo yung alam mo yung sa, ang tawag doon, yung sa Bibe Bibe, yung kay Marian Rivera. Parang ako si John Lapo! Ayun guys, so bago ang lahat. So mag-comment muna tayo dyan. Mag-shoutout tayo dyan, of course!
Oo nga,
Diba?
shoutout. Mag-comment naman kayo kasi isa-shoutout naman namin kayo.
Kahit
eh.
hindi tayo nakaka-attend sa parade, mag-e-enjoy tayo sa ganitong klaseng paraan.
Yes!
Of course, kung gusto maging masaya, lahat may gagawa ng paraan.
Yeah! Nautal ka na! Ayan! Shoutout nga pala kay Judalan Lanusa! Nanonood siya
Hi!
ngayon!
Shout out!
Syempre kay Sir MJT Kilana!
Donya Bonita, sana nandyan ka sa march nyo. Dito naman ako, bilong pa rin naman ako,
naman siya?
syempre. Yung ano ko kasi, nag-a-astral projection ako ngayon.
Tsaka,
Uy, natawa ako sa sarili ko. So,
abang ka naman ang suot ko sa live. Sabi ni Bon kanina, para ako magzuzumba. Nakakaloka siya.
diba? Colorful kami ngayon, pero colorful din naman kasi yung soul
Ano
namin.
ba yun? Di, papakamot talawa sa'yo.
Ayan.
Uy, mag-comment naman kayo ng ano nyo, ng ganap nyo.
So,
for today.
this is the first pride, no, sa ating team.
Oo,
Grabe, napakasaya.
parang ang bongga.
Ang dami pala
Sa
talaga
TEU
natin.
pa, di ba?
Kaya hindi mo talaga masisisi kung bakit yung mga student natin dito kasi most of them talagang achievers sila. Part of the part of the LGBT.
Proud siya, Disney Princess.
Diba? Totoo. Isa kaming Disney Princess ngayong hour na to. Happy Pride March TAU! Celebrating with you from the US according to Sir Benny Samson Salima. Hi,
Wow,
Dr.
sana
Benny!
all!
So please stay safe po dyan sa US.
Morning po.
We miss you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay, wait lang. Ganda-ganda ko sa live para kung ano. Para kung alam mo yun, yung nagpapakain ng bibe.
Ano ka ba?
Charlize, bakit? Ang ganda-ganda
diba?
ko.
Ayan! Kamusta naman kayo? Ay, siya ka ba? Nabalitaan ko rin, no?
Ay, bakit?
Meron din palang earnest demonstration mamaya.
Ay, hindi mo kinaya.
Diba?
Na-try ko mag-earnest dati.
Totoo ba?
Oo, kaso nung napalo nung alam mo yun, yung
Kawayan?
kasama ko. Napalo nung kasama ko yung daliri ko, sabi ko, I quit. I hate hard.
Wag na lang.
I don't like hard.
Tumuti. Yan, tsaka meron din tayong mga accessibility awareness games. At syempre, Holy Lunch
grabe.
mamaya with Teo International Student.
Uy, ayan. Saan
Lahat talaga welcome, lahat.
Correct. So,
Feel
yung
na
mga-
feel nyo.
Yung mga kapatid natin sila from India. So this is an Indian festival of colors. Oh my goodness.
Galing!
Alam mo, last time nag-attend ako sa sa event nila, which is yung Diwali.
Ah, yes!
Doon pa lang colorful na.
Yes, at saka
what if dito po?
ang gaganda ng mga suot nila. Very
Totoo.
colorful.
guys, so please no, comment, like, share.
Yes, ang aga-aga! Bubulabugin namin kayo!
Totoo! Mag-coffee na kayo guys, mag-coffee na kayo dyan.
Shout out!
Pa-shoutout na lang, di kami makakaabot sa parade. Shoutout, Cedric!
Okay lang po, hindi kayo makaabot. May mga ganap pa naman po mamaya.
Totoo.
Diba?
So please, share nyo na to guys sa inyong mga friends, classmates. Dito tayo magsaya kahit hindi tayo nakaka-attend sa kanilang
Parade.
parade. So at least, dito.
At saka ang panonood ng live ay malaking.
Ano?
Malaking ambag! Siyempre! Sa ating celebration.
Ayan na mga trackeries. Ayan na, makikita mo sila.
Ay, ang
Oh.
bongga!
Grabe talagang pinaghandaan tong araw na to.
Tsaka alam mo kanina, no, talagang todo ayos din sila kanina doon sa float. Yan! Mention your friends! Like and follow www.facebook.com/DU Student Inclusion! Marami silang updates dyan, syempre! Like, follow nyo yan, guys! Ay, Disney
Ay,
Princess!
kumakaway yung mga students sa live. So,
Ano
hi!
ba? Good morning! Laki-laki mo.
Ay, ang dami.
Ay, bongga.
Ang dami nila. Grabe, nakakatuwa.
Colorful. Tsaka nung nalaman ko, talagang iba't ibang college ang nakijoin today.
Totoo.
Nakaka-proud.
Totoo.
Na,
They're being
alam mo
one of
yun?
us.
Yes. May unity.
Ayun. Hindi ko nabasa. Sayang. Hindi natin nababasa yung mga placards nila.
Good morning po, Pak. Sino ka dyan? Sumasaya-sayo pa siya,
Hindi
Pak!
tayo papatalbog dyan kahit nasa live lang tayo.
Diba? Sayang, no? Sayang. Parang ang saya-sayo makijoin sa kanila, te.
Napapanood na natin
Jenny
sila.
May Orsino na nanonood ngayon.
Ayan.
Sa
Thank you so much for supporting us here sa ating Pride March.
Yes! At saka shoutout din kay Ma'am Erica Prado.
Yes,
At kay
talagang-
Ma'am Venus.
Ayan, shout out
Sir
din kay Ma'am
Adrian.
Revina Menor Lucero.
Yes.
So, hi
Sa mga-
ma'am.
Hello po! Ay! Dami nila, te, ang haba!
Medyo mahaba rin pala talaga.
Oo, Pak, may bola pa.
Bola,
Sino ka
bola.
dyan? Sino ka dyan? Diba? Kamusta ka na? Tabemik ka sa bunganga ko, no? Diba?
Tinignan
Pa-shoutout naman po! Kaming mga TAU Dormitories! Hello po!
Hi!
At sa panonood!
Ayan, so shout out din sa Hakala Apartment. Ayan,
Ay,
kay
bongga.
Michael Dave Sambuhanan. Sambuhanan o basta.
At saka shoutout din sa aking mga friendies na part ng
Correct.
LGBTQIA
Grabe, nakakatuwa talaga. Talagang,
community.
alam mo kapag ganito talaga nagkakaisa yung mga tao.
Oo, napansin mo, no? Tapos ang dami-dami nila. Parang saya-saya lang.
Grabe.
Sayang talaga eh. Parang saya-saya makijoin, no? Doon sa parade. Ang ingay-ingay. ganun.
Totoo. Pero at least diba dito palang sold na sila eh.
Ah!
Yung mga bunganga kasi natin dito.
Pag yung, ala! Nakakaloka, diba?
Totoo yan. Ano
Ayan.
guys, so share naman kayo ng mga experience nyo kapag kunyari naka-attend na ba kayo ng Pride March. So please, i-share nyo yan, i-comment nyo yan, tapos pagkwentuhan natin dito yan.
Ikaw, na-try mo na bang umattend ng mga ganito? Or ano ba? Ano ba talaga?
Actually talaga alam mo ba, gustong gusto ko talaga mag-attend. Kaso, during those days kasi, mahirap yung development, yung pag-out ko ba.
Ah, yes. Oo.
Hindi kasi ako talaga out dati sa family ko, lalo-lalo na sa parents ko. Hindi ako ang tawag dito, hindi ako tanggap. Dati kasi parang kinakausap ako, ganyan, na dapat hindi, alam mo yon.
Yes! Di ba?
Wait, na-distract ako dun sa
Sorry.
may gumamang sa
Sorry.
labas.
Okay.
Sorry po.
Pero at least ngayon, di ba? Ah!
Hindi kasi ako talagang kahit during back then talaga kahit anong effort ko nun talagang napakahirap. So, alam mo yun, yung para makuha mo yung trust ng parents mo.
Yes.
Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, nung di baling hindi ako tanggap ng iba, basta tanggap
Totoo.
lang ako ng parents ko.
At saka-
Alam mo kung paano ako tinanggap. Siyempre talagang pinatunayan ko talaga sa sarili ko na katanggap-tanggap ako eh. Na talagang deserve ko yan. Na deserve ako mahalin, I deserve all the love.
Ah, Disney Princess!
So nung matanto-tanto na ng parents ko na talagang I love them so much na talagang I put an extra effort for them. Alam mo paano ako tinanggap? Binigyan ako ng makeup. Ay! Sinasabi ko sa iyo.
Diba? Tsaka ano ba, marami din akong friend na ganyan, yung iyak sila sa akin, sa amin, na hindi nila may open sa, lalo na sa family nila, yung totoong sila ba? Yan. Sorry, nagtatasikan na tayo dito ng...
Alam niyo guys, kung mapapanood nyo kami dito, nagtatasikan kami ng laway.
Yan!
Ay, sorry po.
Sorry na.
Ayan, punas-punasan lang natin yan.
Yan. So may mga friend ako na yun, nahihirapan sila mag-open. Pero
Kaya-
wag ka dahil sa ganito, nagkaroon ng mga ganitong festival, na ganitong event.
Maraming nagsipag out.
Yes, di ba? Napansin mo yun? Bongga.
Ano na yung This is me, I am brave, I am juice.
Yes.
Just
Raise your flag! Yes! Panoorin natin ang Inclusion Talks!
yes,
Yan.
for our commercial, no?
Susunod.
Panoorin mo na natin yan. Let's enjoy!
Hi everyone! Hi TAU! So currently we are witnessing the first ever Pride March here in Tarlac Agricultural University. So ngayon, ready na ba kayo? Gusto kong ipakilala sa inyo ang aming Student Inclusion Unit Chief, none other than Ma'am Erica Prado. Yoo-hoo!
Hello, good day everybody. We're very excited about this. It's part of our Inclusion and Diversity Festival, which is also a first thing dito sa TAU. And alam mo ba, Venus, when we were organizing this, we were realizing na this is the first Pride March in a public university here in the province in Tarlac.
Yes, grabe no, Ma'am Erica, no. Grabe, ako personally talagang super proud ako kasi come to think of it, tayo yung first
Yes.
na gumawa nito. And syempre, hindi lang dito sa Tarlac Agricultural University, but in the entire Region 3. Ayan, so before tayo mag-proceed sa ating question, siguro i-promote lang natin yung Facebook account natin, Ma'am Erica. So, ang Facebook account natin ay...
TAU, Student Inclusion. So kindly type that and you'll find our Facebook page. So all the information about our Inclusion and Diversity Festival, including yung aming Pride March, everything is there. So this event is actually in collaboration with many offices in the university. We have the support of the Gender and Development Office. This is a collaboration as well with the Office of Student Services and Development, where yung Student Inclusion Unit is a part of. Other than that, we work with a lot of the student leaders. We have the Supreme Student Council. We also have TAU Bulalaya, which is the official LGBTQI organization here in TAU. So we're very proud working with these amazing people.
Yes, tama yan, Ma'am Erica. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Please subscribe, please follow our page. Ayan, so siguro mag-proceed na tayo sa question and answer portion. Game ka na ba, Ma'am Erica?
Game na game. Very excited to answer all these questions.
Okay, so as we all know, ito ang pinakaunang Pride March, hindi lang sa ating university, pati na din sa ating province. So ano ang purpose, essence, and aim ng ating Pride March na ito?
Well, actually, in terms of our unit now, we have 3 pillars, or at least 3 aims. One is to increase representation for marginalized groups of students, who belong to the gender minorities, IPPWD, solo parents, international students here in the university. And doing this Pride March, of course, we are increasing representation for gender minorities here in the university, because as you know, if you are part of the LGBTQ community, it can be hard to feel that you are seen and that you're not alone. So we're trying to address that. But at the same time, it's also education, not only for gender minorities, people who belong to vulnerable groups, but for the entire university. Because we want to create that safe space for everyone to feel that they can be completely themselves. And when they're able to do that, then they're able to contribute very much to community building, not only here in TU, but in their own communities. Plus, hopefully, we get to advocate further
Yes.
for marginalized groups. And by doing that, of course, by creating this safe atmosphere, we can create policies, we can change the landscape for, institutional landscape, for a lot of people, so that they can feel included and that they can feel like they belong.
Yes, tama yan, no. Siyempre, gustong-gusto natin na mabigyan sila talaga ng safe space, alam mo yon, i-show nila yung expression nila, 'di ba? Na hindi sila limited doon sa kanilang galaw. Ayan, so yun yung talagang pinaka-essence ng ating Pride March. And of course, marami pa, 'di ba? We will look forward to that in the future events that we will having in our Student Inclusion Unit. Okay, another question, Mamerica. Ano ang mga ginawang preparation for this big event? And what are the challenges na na-experience ninyo natin, no, para maging successful itong event na to?
Okay, so in terms of preparation, because we know this is a university-wide event,
Yes.
so we thought of collaborating, as I mentioned earlier, collaborating with a lot of offices, but we really wanted to engage young youth because we know they are the future, and there's so much energy and creativity, innovation when it comes to working with the student leaders. So we prepared by coordinating, collaborating with them. They have different ideas, exciting ideas, na we're actually very happy to take into account planning into this thing. So we know na meron tayong usual way of doing things with parades and stuff like that. Pero we wanted to make sure na for every portion of the parade there's something that's happening. So right in front, middle, at saka dun sa dulo. So you'd have to go and attend yung aming Pride March to see lahat ng pakulo.
Yes.
No, I don't want to give anything away,
Yes.
but there's gonna be a lot of colors, a lot of expression, music, dance, all of these things. And in terms of the challenges, of course, Pride Marches, we know the history of Pride Marches na it's really a group of people who have experienced discrimination, people who have experienced, of course, marginalization. Na we are trying to make other people aware of yung negative effects of that kind of discrimination. But of course, we cannot help being in a more provincial setting na meron pa ring air of conservatism. And that's what we are trying to change, hopefully, by showing up and being together, and of course having that positive energy moving with our Pride March. We get to change a little bit of that so that everybody feels safe and that they can be themselves.
Yes, tama, no? At saka yung Pride March, hindi lang siya for the LGBT. So, lahat ay open, no? If you are allied, no? So, I guess it's also a good opportunity for us to invite them na sumama sa ating Pride March, regardless kung you are part of the LGBT, diba? So, please, if you have an advocacy for the LGBTQ community, please join us in our Pride March. Ayan, so, ikaw, America, meron ka bang something na parang na-excite ka, na gusto mong makita sa parade? Kasi parang ako, ini-imagine ko, parang meron akong certain na nilulook forward. So, ikaw ba meron kang ganon?
Actually, there's just so much to
Okay.
look forward to regarding
Yes.
the parade. No, like even in the preparation, I thought we would have like a bit of struggle trying to invite people because it's the middle of summer, sobrang init. But we're actually glad now. Whenever we talk to people and we mention yung Pride March, they're excited to go. And actually, even people coming from outside of TAU, we talked to some organizations outside, and we mentioned that this is the first time it's going to happen in the province, and they want to write a letter asking the institution, can we go, can we join? So that's something that really excites me because it's creating this social web of support for this kind of movement. And at the same time, syempre, within TAU itself, it's just nice to see who are here to show up advocating for gender equity. Yun. And syempre, we know, I think like if you check our Facebook page, TAU Student Inclusion, you will see na meron tayong lip sync battle. We have a community art project where everybody's invited to paint together, and that's working with other organizations as well. We have accessibility awareness
Yes,
games
yes.
and demonstration from the Arnis team of TAU. We also have a Holi celebration with our international students. Most of them are Indian, so we get to celebrate Holi, which is the festival of colors. It's just ang dami. So
Yes.
just please check everything out.
Yes, yes. Ako excited din talaga ako, no. Isa sa mga nilulook forward ko naman sa Pride March actually is gusto ko makita yung mga placards sa mga bata, mga students, no? So, gusto kong basahin isa-isa. As much as possible, mabasa natin isa-isa. Tapos, makita natin kung ano yung advocacy talaga na gusto nilang iparating, no? So, isa yun sa mga nilulook forward ko. Syempre, at the same time, yung mga gender inclusion games natin, mga accessibility games natin, the lip sync battle, ayan, kailangan, pati kayo dapat ma-excite doon sa lip sync battle natin and everything na i-offer namin sa inyo sa Student Inclusion Unit. Okay? And I guess this is the last question that we have. Ano po ang mga maaasahan natin sa susunod na taon tungkol sa Pride March at sa iba pang activity ng University about inclusion? Ayan. So, ano yung mga i-look forward natin?
Okay, so right now, we're trying to cultivate the ground for this kind of awareness, for this kind of campaigning. Nakakatuwa kasi when we were organizing this with other student organizations, with all the different offices that we work with, they already had suggestions for next year. So we are intending this to be an annual thing so that every year we get to come together, we get to advocate for different groups and different advocacies or different issues now we feel very strongly for. So at the same time, since we are creating different partnerships, not only inside the university but outside, we are planning to involve more people. Kasi when it comes to gender equity, when it comes to inclusion, the more people becoming part of the movement, it's gonna make it easier to create that change na we want to see. And we want to be able to have everybody in so that lahat ng potentials natin can contribute to becoming or making our community better and a safer space for everyone.
Yes. So, tama, no, Ma'am Erica. So, yun yung mga aabangan natin. Pero, syempre, marami pa tayong aabangan talaga, no? And please, stay tuned sa ating FB account. Kaya, please, subscribe and follow our Facebook page for the future event that we will be having in our unit. Okay? Pero, syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan magpasalamat, Ma'am Erica, no? Sa ating mga higher ups, ayan. So we have our University President, Dr. Max P. Guillermo, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Noel J. Petero, the Vice President for Student Affairs and Services, Dr. Danilo N. Fashar, Vice President for Research, Extension and Training, Dr. Yolanda S. Guillermo, Vice President for Finance and Administration, Ma'am Yolanda F1, and our Dean for the College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Maria Flora G. Mariano. And at the same time, si Sir Benny rin, no? The Director of the Office of the Student Services and Development, Sir Benny, Dr. Benny, hello! Kamusta ka dyan, sir?
And also si Ma'am Yang is very supportive of this, the Gender and Development Office. And I would also want to mention, of course, our partners here in the university. I mentioned some of them, all the student organizations we work with, SSC, and also TAU Bulalayaw. And at the same time, we have external partners as well. We have Kanlahi Community Center. By tomorrow, by the 18th, we have free HIV screening. They will also distribute reproductive health kits. We have MSWD of Kamiling. So they're also very supportive of our inclusion efforts. We have Peace Corps because we have a member of the Peace Corps in our unit. You might know David.
Yeah, David.
And so many more, no? So we're very, very grateful that they are super supportive of this. Na no questions asked. They really all the way talagang supportive sila sa aming event. And of course, by providing this platform.
Yes, syempre. Hindi natin ba rin kalimutan? We are about to conclude our inclusion talk, Ma'am Erica. So, meron ka pa bang ibang closing remarks or meron ka bang gusto pang sabihin bago tayo mag-end talaga?
I think I've said enough about the festival. You just really have to go there. You just really have to join us in the games, in our Pride March. I'll see you there.
Alright, so bago tayo mag-stop, please again, like, share, and subscribe to our FB page, TAU Student Inclusion. Maraming salamat sa pagkikinig sa amin at this has been Venus Benitez.
And Erica Prado.
Okay, so that concludes our inclusion talk. Until next time, guys. Bye!
Ayan! Thank you so much po, Ma'am Venus and Ma'am Erica. At alam niyo nga pala si Ma'am Venus po ang chief ng Student
No.
Inclusion Unit.
It's Ma'am Erica.
Ay, baliktad po pala! Alam mo,
Ayan.
si Ma'am Erica po
Masyado
siya
tayo
ka-
na-excite sa mga ano
coordinator
ngayon.
po si Ma'am Venus.
And of course, di ba, thank you so much po sa ating ever indefatigable president and vice
ang bongga.
president of our university for
Yes,
making this event
thank you
even
so
more
much
possible.
po.
So of course, kay University President Dr. Max P. Guillermo, our
Yes.
VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Noel J. Petero,
Petero.
and our VP for Student Affairs and Services, Dr. Danilo and Officiar, and our VP for Research Extension and Training, Dr. Yolanda S. Guillermo, and for our VP for Finance and Administration, Ma'am Yolanda F1, and of course, sa ating
College
queen,
Dean!
Dr. Maria Flora G. Mariano. Yan, thank you so much po sa ating lahat.
Yan! At saka alam mo, Ten, dahil naki-join.
Totoo.
Thank you po sa
Totoo.
ating mga colleges. Sa college, unahin natin dun. Sa College of Education, Disney Princess.
Yes.
College of Engineering and Technology. College of Veterinary. Tama ba, Ten? Hello! Veterinary? Tama ba?
Veterinary.
Disney Princess! Siyempre sa ating college, College of Arts and Sciences! College of Agriculture and Forestry! And College of Business Management! At syempre, hindi mawawala! Panoorin natin ang greeting ni Sir Benny! Hello po, good morning, sir! Ting, 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 ting!
Hello everyone to the LGBTQIA community of Tarlac Agricultural University, our allies and advocates. Thank you for actively joining our first Pride March, which is part of the Diversity and Inclusion Festival, spearheaded by the Office of Student Services and Development, particularly the Student Inclusion Unit, of course in partnership with the Gender and Development Office. This event, I consider this as historic or momentous event in TAU, aims to create a community where all individuals are respected and accepted regardless of age, sex, and gender. Also, this is our way of showing how we support the LGBTQIA community because in TAU, we ensure we would like to provide equal opportunities to students from the marginalized sector, just like the LGBTQIA community. As you walk with pride, always remember that you deserve to be respected, you deserve to be loved, and to be accepted. To our allies, let us continue advocating inclusion in the university so that together we can realize our slogan that in TAU, lahat kabilang, walang may iwan. Right now, I am in the United States, but I am celebrating with you in spirit. Let us continue to raise our flag with pride and confidence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Benny, our Director for Student Services and Development. So kagaya nga na sinabi niya, lahat kasama
Yes!
at
ikaw-
walang naiwan.
Oh, tayo dalawa.
Nalilito ka na. Nagkakaiba-iba na tayo na sinasabi.
Na marespeto, mahalin.
Correct.
Siyempre, yun nga, sa TAU walang maiiwan.
No one is left behind. So yan. So once again, no, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga student organization na nakipag-participate sa ating parade.
Yan!
Wow!
At saka alam mo no, ang parang nakaka-touch din yung sinabi ni na, yung usapan kanina nila, Ma'am Erica.
Oh,
tsaka
yeah,
Ma'am
yeah,
Venus.
actually.
Kasi alam mo, ano nga ba talagang essence ng Pride March? O yung mga ganitong event. So, na-touch ako kasi nga, no, yung parang para maramdaman ng bawat isa kahit hindi ka member ng LGBTQIA+ community, belong ka.
Correct. Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Nakakalungkot din naman kasing makita yung ang saya-saya niya. Tapos alam mo may na-left behind, di
Totoo.
ba? So sa TEU, hindi pwede yun! Yan! At saka alam niyo ba, paparating na sila, malapit na sila CCC! Malapit na CCC!
Of course, porket siyempre, kunyari, hoy, pakinggan mo ako, siyempre, kunyari, nandun na sila sa CEC. O, anong meron?
Hoy! Maraming
Tama!
Sabi ko sa inyo kanina pa ganito na-excite ako na buhay
Actually,
na naman ako.
di ba? So talaga for the participate. So guys, please, sa lahat na nag-attend ng Pride March, grabe, tuwang-tuwa ako sa inyo. Kahit na mainit yung panahon, kahit online class tayo, kahit
Yes!
top 1 tayo
Ang
sa
dami
weather
nila.
heat index, grabe, ang
Oo.
dami nyo pa rin.
At
Thank
saka
you
alam
so
mo,
much. Thank you so much for the
you pa.
support and love.
At saka alam mo din, no, sabi kanina, isa daw sa naging challenges para maisa katuparan ng ganitong event, sabi ni Ma'am Erica, is yung init ng panahon. Kasi natatakot sila baka kundi ang makijoin, ganyan.
Totoo.
Pero, di ba,
And
nakita
look,
naman natin, ang dami-dami!
grabe, they are
Puta.
invincible. Diba?
Yes.
Kahit tayo naman, invincible tayo. Look, bumubulong yung aircon natin.
Tingnan naman! Ano ba? Nakakaloka ka!
Parang may gustong sabihin yata yung aircon natin dito.
Oo nga!
Ayun, so shout out, no? Bago ang lahat, shout out kay Luis David Hernando Roque. He's
Shout
watching.
out po, hello!
Ayan, kay Ma'am Princess Fernando. Shout out, Ma'am.
Morning po! Thank you po sa panunood! At syempre, sa bebe ko,
Ay!
Mary Nolan!
Ay, Marinol. Akala ko si ano.
Sino totoong bebe ko? Hello, bebe! Doon supportive sa
Si Wongwong, si Wongwong. Iba.
Wong mag-uusap tayo
Wong-wong.
mamaya. Ay, guys, syempre support naman sa Confessions to the Max later. Disney Princess.
Sorry.
Ayan, malapit na sila. Na-excite
Ayan,
na ako.
tuwang-tuwa. Hoy, pwede bang mag-request ulit mamaya kay Manong Driver? Baka ilipot niya tayong ulit.
Oo,
Kaya dalawa lang
naman,
tayo.
nainggit ako.
Nainggit ako.
Diba
Nabibisit ako.
kasi yun tayo dito,
Like-
Ti. Sobrang excited.
Imbis na
Yan.
Pride Match, hala, may misa.
Tigilan mo.
Ay, tingnan mo kasi yung ano, para kong bibi. Alam mo yung magiging ano ako
Oo.
ngayon. Parang,
Parang kainang bibi na mangingitlog, gano'n.
at least yung itlog ko gold. So kapag kinain mo, super
diba?
bibe. Alam mo yan, yung parang,
Wait, ayan na sila. Oh, paparating na sila.
may tanong ako.
Bongga. Oh, anong tanong mo? Excited na ako sa mga pinapamaya.
Pili ko kasi irrelevant yung tanong ko. Di ba kapag ano, yung maliit na sisiw, ay yung manok, ang tawag sisiw. Ano ba, ano naman sa bibe?
Balot. Ano sinasabi mo?
Bibiw?
Nakaloka ka.
Bibiw!
Golden bibe, mama.
Golden bibe. Ayan!
Diba?
Alam, nakakatuwa silang dami-dami nila.
Oo nga, na-excite na ako sa mga ganap mamaya. Tara na,
Parang may
nainggit na ako.
parang may painting yata mamaya or art something.
True.
I-announce mo kasi para alam nating lahat
Oo
yung
nga
ating
naman.
activities.
Meron tayong ano dito eh. Ayan! Siyempre, patapos na ating Pride March. Mamayang 9 o'clock to 9:30 is Collaborative Art Project. Ito yung painting together for inclusion.
Yan!
Yan!
Of course, mamaya naman
9:30 to 11:30 is
our
lip sync battle. Ano ka ba,
and then
Ti?
university-wide. Ayun nga siya.
Yun nga yun, Ti.
Ano ba yung sinasabi mo, Ti? Ba't tayo nagkakaganyan? Hindi
Na-excite
tayo
kasi ako.
nagkakasundo.
Parang ano mo yun? Sarap
Isa kang dolphin.
Ay, ano ba? Tapos mamayang hapon, di ba? Akala nyo ha, meron pa mamayang hapon. 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, accessibility awareness game.
Oh, yan.
Di ba?
Pwede pa tayo mag-join dyan? Mag-join tayo!
Pwede mo ba kami? Nainggit na kami dito eh.
Basta kayong
diba?
dolphin lahat kayo dyan.
Dolphin kayong lahat.
Namiss
Naingit
ko
kami
yung
sa inyo.
dolphin na yun.
Ingit kami so much. Ever. O, di ba nakakaingit ang saya-saya nila?
Uy, wag ka, pero ang ganda-ganda natin sa live.
Tsaka ang ganda. Alam mo kanina,
Para na rin tayo nag-Pride
pagdating
March.
ko dito, kanina ang ganda nung float. Bonggang colorful.
Ay, yun, nasa labas kanina, no?
Diba?
Sabi ko nga kanina, parang...
Tapos na narinig ko yung mga music.
Isa
Ano ba
kayo
yun? Naingit
ko.
ako. Ay mo doon.
Raise
Raise your arm.
Baswell Maninoke. Ay, mali yung lyrics ko.
Mali nga
It's just dance, gonna be okay. Churup, churup,
Uy,
just
comment
dance.
naman kayo.
And then to say, future.
Siya, may sinasabi sa akin.
Ayan, Golden Bibe Mama. Correct. Grabe, di ba? Sinasabi ko sa'yo, mukha akong Golden Bibe dito.
Oh, di ba?
At least, golden, gold. Kiss
Hindi
me.
black.
Hoy, grabe ka naman.
Yan.
Ba't mo niluto?
Oy, naku ba
Ba't mo nga
naman?
kasi niluto, bading?
Nakakaloka ka.
Ayan.
Nagkukulitan na naman tayo ditong dalawa.
Cute
Alam nyo,
kasi.
ngayon pa lang ha, dahil dito sa excitement ko dito sa Pride March na i-test, ubus na ang energy ko para mamaya kasi inubos ko na dito. Na-excite ako, di ba?
Kasi talaga napakasaya nga naman. Di ba nakikita mo yung unity ng bawat isa?
Matakot ka mamaya, baka mamaya yung confessions, wala na ako nakipag, na ako.
Ay, wag... May dadamayan ba tayo?
Ay, sorry! Sorry na naman. Wala mamaya, abangan nyo maganda yung kwento, guys.
By the way, guys, isingit ko na rin ito ha. So please do not forget to raise your confessions.
Yes.
Ayan. Makikita, isasend
At saka
namin
alam
lahat
niya,
yan.
hinanap namin si Banana.
Ay, walang ganyan. Walang ganun. Pero feeling ko I'm independent
Oh,
person.
ayan
Wah!
mo, bongga na sa CEC na sila, guys. Ang
Totoo.
bongga
Ala,
naman.
congratulations guys. You reached that far.
Ay, di ba sa'yo?
Siyempre, hindi ka, walang pagod-pagod ang mangyayari basta nag-enjoy ka.
Pansin ko. Parang alam mo yon, hindi sila napapagod, nag-enjoy lang sila.
Correct.
Happy-happy lang. Di
Parang
ba?
tayo dito happy-happy lang tayo kahit bumubulang yung aircon.
Ay, kate.
Long range yung aircon kasi natin dito sa office.
Pero
Hayaan mo,
kate,
bibili ako mamaya.
nagmamantika ka,
Freezer.
te.
Hoy! Nagmamanas na ba yung makeup ko? Anyway, at
Guys,
least,
size
diba?
pa tayo. Maulas din.
Masaya naman tayo. Ay, ibig sabihin, nagsisignify na masaya talaga tayo ngayong araw na to. Di ba?
Yes! Oh, finding Bononoy daw!
Finding po na...
Ay, ala, sorry! Hindi pala ito confession. Paano pumunta tayo? Sorry na. Kasi naman, nalilito na kami.
Huwag naman kasi. Wala.
Oy! Disney princess ka
Hindi
dyan.
ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya magjowa. Rosy Chicks. Ay, Rosy Chicks daw ako.
Kinikilig ka?
Ay, hindi ako kinikilig. Ay, ulitin mo yun. Ulitin mo yun, yung ganun-ganun.
Nakikita mo yung tsura mo,
Ayan.
no?
Congratulations to all cast representatives kahapon sa Festival of Talents. Oh yeah, congratulations guys. At sa lahat naman nagsipagdalo, nakipag-participate sa Festival of Talents. So congratulations to everyone.
Yes! At syempre, natunghayan po natin ang kauna-unahang Pride Month sa TU!
Yan! Thank you so much for all of the support and love. So once again, ako po, si Boninay! Ay, Boninay. Sorry.
At ako si Wangwang ng
Isa-
Dagon!
Isa akong astig.
Kita-kits tayo mamayang Dagon! 7 fashions to the month!
Yeah! Tambalan kasi yun, nakalimutan mo yun.
Pupunta na ako doon, Te.
Hoy, wait lang.
Pupunta na ako doon, Te.
Bye-bye. Punta na kami doon.
I'm Rex Manara. I am disabled because my unresponsive arms.
Ako si Joanna at isa akong solo parent. Ako po si Gemaline Pelacio at ako naman po si Soledad Gutierrez at kami po ay mga Aita.
I am Leon Carlo Lime and I am a transgender.
My name is Hari Krishna Dharma. I'm international students in Tarlac Agriculture University.
Humans are created differently. However, students feel isolated due to their uniqueness from one another. Their unique circumstances in life can lead to challenges inside the university.
I feel like I am belittled, I'm discriminated, and sometimes some students looking at me when I'm walking at the corridors of the school.
The language is sometimes like little bit difficulty for me. It is very different from my language and here.
Minsan, hindi rin po mga kaklase kung pinag-uusapan ko. Kasi wala na daw akong kinabukasan dahil may anak niya. Minsan daw po, hindi po siya sinasali sa activity kahit naman daw po tumulong siya, hindi daw po sinusulat doon yung pangalan niya. Tapos lagi daw po siyang pinagtatawa ng pagdating sa klase.
Mga laboratory yung pinapagawa nila sa school.
The experiences of the student minorities became the driving force of Tarlac Agricultural University to introduce the Student Inclusion Unit. Student Inclusion Unit provides programs and activities that cater to the needs of indigenous people, solo parent, persons with disabilities, international students, and members of the LGBTQIA+ community. Established in the year of 2021, the Student Inclusion Unit is rooted from these policies. These regulations protect and promote the rights of marginalized communities. The SIU targets to conduct seminars about inclusion, needs assessments to address challenges faced by minorities, and develop programs to support their needs.
Dahil sa student inclusion unit, nagkaroon ako ng nasasalat.
I feel safe. I feel like my voice is heard and I feel accepted, and I know that this school is a safe place for the third gender people.
Parang hindi po kami iba sa nagsigang dito and mas lalo pa po kami nagkakaroon ng confidence para po magpatuloy sa pag-aaral.
They are socialized with local people, with international people, so they can speak in their language and they learn, they share foods.
At yung community nila. And then, may parang family.
As part of the commitment of the Office of Student Services and Development that no student left behind, the Student Inclusion Unit empowers students through representation, education, and advocacy.
I'm a makeup artist, I'm a hairstylist, I'm an athlete, and I'm a Filipino.
Yan po namin makipagsabayan tulad po ng mga estudyante dito.
I can learn any kind of sports very quickly.
Ginagawa ng ordinary na tao. Like online games.
Kaya yung mga graduate para sa akin.
Together, let's build a community where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered to succeed.